Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to tell you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to use of simple present tense. Well, we use simple present tense to describe an action or an activity that goes on every day or all the time, and we can also call it habitual action. Well, the pattern of simple present tense is subject plus verb 1 or infinitive without to for I, you, we, and they as subjects. But when the subject is single third person like he, she, or it, we must use s or es after verb 1. I work, you work, he works, she works, it works, we work, they work. To form negative, we must use do not or does not, then followed by verb 1. We use does not for third single person, he, she, and it. And we use do not for I, you, we, and they. To form question, we must place do or does before the subject, then followed by verb 1. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Then you should also try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some questions about it. Okay, now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. The Sawyers live at number 1 King Street. Every morning, Mr. Sawyer goes to work, and the children go to school. Their father takes them to school. Mrs. Sawyer stays at home. She does the housework. Now please listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. The Sawyers live at number 1 King Street. Every morning, Mr. Sawyer goes to work, and the children go to school. Their father takes them to school. Mrs. Sawyer stays at home. She does the housework. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer the questions. Question number 1. Where do the Sawyers live? Question number 2. Where does Mr. Sawyer go every morning? Do the children go to school every morning? Who takes them to school? Does Mrs. Sawyer go to work too? Well, what does Mrs. Sawyer do at home? Does she do the housework? Well, what about you? Where do you go every day? Where do you go every morning? Do you go to work? Do you go to school? What time do you usually get up? Okay? I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.